Hey everybody, tonight is the first meetup for the Silicone Slopes Digital Media Creators Group, and I have volunteered to make all of the food. So let's get started. For this event, I've decided to make a dessert bar instead of having dinner because yesterday was a holiday, and with my time being gone yesterday with family, I felt like doing a dessert bar would be a lot easier for me to make. Plus, who doesn't love a good dessert? I have chosen 10 desserts to make for tonight, and for me to be organized, I have to write it out per dessert. So like chocolate cake, I just pulled those out of the oven, by the way, and they look great. But chocolate cake, I have to make the ganache, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And then so on and so forth. For each item, I just write down what I have to do, and that way it keeps me organized. But for sure, I have to make sure I do the very last one. Just fed the kids some lunch. I've got the lemon bars in the oven, and I'm gonna quickly hop in the shower because if I don't do it now, it's not gonna happen. I'm starting to get down to crunch time, and I'm starting to feel a little bit stressed. I hope I have enough time to get everything done, pick up my husband, and drive out there and be ready in an hour. This piece of paper right here has been my saving grace today. I wrote down all of my desserts that I was going to make. I got through my entire list except for one thing. I didn't have time to make the sugar cookies, but that's okay. I feel pretty good with what we've got. We got everything loaded up into the car. Now my fingers are crossed, hoping we can get to the destination with no problem. Guess what? I did it! It's done! I did my first catering event all by myself, and I'm so proud that it turned out, and I learned so many things, and I met wonderful people. But the thing that I'm gonna tell you that saved me on this event is this list. I wrote out everything I was gonna make, and I followed it to a T, and I didn't fail on my timing and everything, and I gave myself permission to not make the sugar cookies because I was running out of time. And I'm okay with that. So if you're ever doing something and you're running out of time, give yourself permission that it's okay to not do everything and move on, and it'll turn out perfect. We'll see you guys in this video right over here. Thanks.